Hey guys, so today again I'm going to show you how much loss and profit I have made in options. So let's get started. Yeah. So this is the pretty much I would say I'll show you the positions here. So you see, I traded for two values and I got a loss of 7,050 rupees initially, and this was the timings were like 9:20 or 30. So the time the share market started, I bought some shares of Vinity Organics and made this awesome loss. And then gradually I started with Nifty June 15800 call, and you can see my profits. This is my third day in options trading, and I have got this much of profit, but yes, with a lot of risk. I'll show you how I came up, in the positive, how much struggle I have done to achieve this. So let's go to Oris. And from starting onwards, I'll show you how it went. Okay. So in the morning, 9:19. Okay, this is the time it is showing. I bought 100 shares of Vinity Organics, and the average price was this. Suddenly, what happened is it went to 1894. That is, some 12 rupees less. So again, I averaged out at 50. I mean, 50 bought shares I again bought. So total counts is 150 now. And then within minutes, you see this 9, 19, 22, 25. And within minutes, again, it went to 1883. It was again, a huge loss I was getting 80, 10, and then again 10. So this difference was 30 approx. Again, I averaged out and I bought 50 shares again, and then it went to 77. So now again I bought 50 shares. So in total 250 shares I bought to average out, and my again that share went down, and finally I sold that at 1865. That was around, with a loss of 7,050 rupees. Okay. So at this stage, I was at a debt of 7,050 rupees. I started with Nifty June 15, 1800. Okay. So I started with buying 600 quantities at a price of 1540. And the time I bought it at 45, after 3 minutes it went to 1480. This, went less. Then I had to sell it because it was 600 quantities. So I had to sell it, and of course, I mean, you know, I bought it at this, and then I sold it at 1575. So it is more than 1540, right? So I sold this with a profit of some around 1,050 rupees. Again, I went into, because I had to cover my 7,000 loss, right? Again, I went into this and I started. Uh, yeah. So again, I started and I bought 300 shares here. I mean, not sorry, 600 shares at 1340 price, and sold it at 1480. So I got some around 1200 of profit here. Again, I bought at 1450 and I sold it at 50. I mean 50 paisa per share, and I was holding 1800. So it gave me around 900 rupees here. And then again I bought at 14. It gave and sold it, sell. Sold it at 1450. Again I got around 50 paisa per share of 900 is 450 rupees. Again I went into the trade and I bought it at 1380, and the thing happened was it went down. So again I bought it at 1250 rupees. But the thing happened, 19 shares I was holding, and then at 1250 I bought 1800 shares. what happened was it was going back to 11 rupees. It was unbearable for me because I was holding 2700 shares at this stage. So what I did is I sold it with a loss of 8,000 some approx rupees. Sold it. So to recover all this, I bought it at 20 rupees. You see, it was at 1100 and it moved in sudden few minutes. It moved to 20 again. So I bought it at 20.50 paisa, 300 shares because I was not having money. So I was now dealing, with 300 rupees only. Then I bought it at 2050. I mean, I bought at 2050 and I sold it at 2050, 22.5. So that is approx, 2500 rupees. Yeah. And then what I did is again, I bought 600 shares at 21.5 and I sold it at 50 paisa per share. Yeah, total 600 shares. Then again I was recovering now at this point. I bought again 20 at 27 and 900 quantities and I sold it at 29. So 27, 28, 29, 2 rupees per share of 900, that is 1800 rupees. Yeah. Then again I bought, you see this buy option, so 900 shares again I bought at 28 and I sold it at 29.540, that is 1 rupees 40 paisa. So I got around 1400 at an approx value. So this much amount I got. Then the share came to, again to 18 approx rupees. I bought it at this price. And this is the major profit where I got. So from 18 19, this is 19 rupees to 24, approx 5 rupees, of 900 shares. 9 5 is a 45, that is 4500 rupees of profit I gain at this stage. Yeah. And at the 30, when it went to 30, I sold it earlier, but yeah, it was okay. Then what happened is in within few minutes, 4 5 minutes later, it went to 30, and I bought it at 30 itself, and I sold it at 31.50 pesos rupees. Yeah, so 1.5 per share, so 900 shares I sold. Again again I bought it at 30, right? And I sold it at 32.53. That is 2 rupees per paisa. That is 900 shares. That is 1800, like 2000 rupees profit at this stage. And then it came down, and I took the opportunity. Again, I bought it. Sorry, at 27, right? And I sold it at 1.5 paisa per rupee, and I got around 1500 here. Then again, I bought it at 23. It came down, and I bought it at. I did not miss any opportunity to recover my losses. So 23.50 I bought it and I sold it at 24.50. So again 1 rupee, 900 shares, 900 profit. Then it came down to 20 and I bought it. You know, you see this? So what happened was, it came down like anything at this stage. 4 rupees, right? So 4,000 of loss at this stage, at this moment. And it went till 7. I tried booking it, but it got cancelled. You see that? And then again, at this price, I was able to book it. So 17.50, 15.20. I booked it, and what happened was, it came down. So with stole, I was I had to recover everything. So I bought it again at 13, and how it went is, I sold with 14.81. So around approx. I was getting some good amount here as well. Yeah. So average, if you do, it will come good price. So around 900 approx I was getting. Not 900, at 2000 rupees here. And then at 11, I bought it again, 900 shares. Yeah. So it went to 7 rupees suddenly. Okay, at 7 rupees again I bought it. So 1800 shares and I sold it at 12.2. So this was the major price breaker here, and I recovered almost all my money here and with a profit of 8,000 rupees at this moment, at this price. So you see this from 7 900 shares from 7 to 12, right? So approx 5,000 rupees, and from this also there was 1,200 rupees, so 6,000 from here and 2,000 from other places. So overall I got, I'll show you the positions as of now. So morning I got this loss, and with lot of struggle I was able to recover it with 15,840 with Nifty June 15 but yeah, it was a good learning at the moment, as it is my third day. I'm a noob anyways. So you see this 8,790 rupees I earned. So this is not a magic trick. You have to be in the trade and you have to struggle to get this money. So that is all about it. Thank you. Hope you learn from this. I mean, you see the orders and the struggles I have done here. So it's good. Thank you.